Hey everyone! Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you'll never miss another Windows tip or update. Alright, today we're talking about a brand new feature added to Microsoft PowerToys. It's called Light Switch, and it finally lets Windows automatically switch between light and dark mode. It's clean, smart, and honestly something Windows should have had built in a long time ago. Now let's start from the beginning. If you don't already have PowerToys installed, don't worry, it's totally free. Just open the Microsoft Store, search for PowerToys, and install the one published by Microsoft Corporation. Once it's done, open it up. You'll see a bunch of tools listed on the left like Color Picker, Fancy Zones, File Locksmith, and now the new one called Light Switch. Click on that, and first, turn on the Enable Light Switch toggle. Once it's on, you'll see a few options you can customize. The first is how it switches between themes. You can choose automatic mode, which uses your location to figure out sunrise and sunset times. So your computer automatically turns on dark mode at night and light mode again in the morning. It feels seamless. You won't even have to think about it. Or, if you prefer more control, you can set a manual schedule. Just type in the exact time you want dark mode to turn on and when to go back to light mode. You can also pick whether it applies to your apps, your system interface, or both. For example, you might want your taskbar and start menu to change, but not your apps. It's totally up to you. Now here's something cool. PowerToys also lets you set a keyboard shortcut for this. So you can press a simple key combo, like Control plus Alt plus L, and instantly switch between light and dark mode whenever you want. Super handy when you need a quick change. Once everything's set up, you can close PowerToys. It'll keep running quietly in the background. Now, every day, your computer will automatically adjust its look depending on the time. Bright during the day, and calm, dark, and easy on the eyes at night. It's one of those small updates that really make Windows feel smarter and more personal. So if you haven't tried it yet, go grab the latest version of PowerToys from the Microsoft Store and check out the new Light Switch feature. You'll love it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment below if you're on Team Light Mode or Dark Mode. I'll see you all in the next one.